The Bobcat chipper attachment goes wherever the job requires, chewing up storm debris, down trees with the power of your Bobcat machine. I'm Travis Kidder with Bobcat. Let's discuss the Bobcat chipper. The Bobcat chipper attachment can perform chipping jobs virtually anywhere. Unlike a tow-behind chipper, you don't have the added footprint of a towing vehicle. The attachment is highly versatile, dual mounting locations that allow the intake chute to be mounted the front or right side of the machine. This makes it easy to carry into small and remote areas and work in challenging terrain. Plus, it's hydraulically powered, eliminating the need to maintain one more engine on the job site. The chipper uses a powerful disc chipping action for mulching trees, limbs, branches, and saplings, up to 5 inches in diameter. The heavy-duty chipper disc made from a 1 1/4 inch steel. It provides strength when cutting large material, allowing the chipper attachment to maintain momentum while cutting. Tool steel blades are positioned at different angles and deliver optimal cutting performance and durability. Blades are reversible for twice the life between sharpening, decreasing maintenance time and maximizing productivity. Adjustable deflector along with a 360-degree rotating chute provide control over the distance and location chips are thrown, directing them into the desired area without having to reposition the chipper attachment. The chipper attachment is ideal for tree removal or rental companies, municipalities, parks and recreation department, or personal property maintenance. Chippers can be used over a range of environments where a loader can be positioned on level ground, allowing on-site wood mulching. They can increase profits and improve your bottom line by reducing the cost of hauling debris and providing mulch to nurture and protect existing plants. For more information, see your local Bobcat dealer or learn more on bobcat.com.